Maybe every winding road taught me how to let things go. If tomorrow comes with rain, I'll walk these mountains once again. Every sunrise through the trees sets my spirit free. Whispering pines call me home, where the wild winds always roam. Every river, every stone says I'm not alone. Whispering pines, strong and true. Every season leads to you. Every mile beneath the sun